We're almost at the boulder field right now. It's just before Gilbert. More snow than anticipated. I hear that Gilbert Lake is pretty snow covered still. Yeah. Sure is beautiful. Yeah, we're pretty close to Gilbert. I see it. Yeah, it's still mostly iced over. Wow. Yeah, it's still pretty iced over. That section's thinning, but the rest of it looks pretty, well, I don't know about strong. I'm actually a little afraid to go out any further than this because I know water can come in to here. And that would suck. I'm sure the ice is not strong enough to hold me. Beautiful. Oh, Beth. Over here. Over here. Keep following the footprints. So what we are likely going to do is stop at Flower Lake and camp, because Beth has some various factors against her. She's got new boots that aren't broken in. She's got insoles in the new boots she's not used to. high altitude for both of us. We're both not in quite the hiking shape that we were before, and snow makes it a lot harder. So she's pretty tired. I'm getting tired. So, but we are gonna day hike to Matlock and Bench, hopefully. Depending how hard it is to get there with all the snow. But that is the current plan. Ooh, a nice warm sun. Oh, it's thawing a little over there too. Oop. Post hole. Definitely have been doing some post holing. This snow is getting to be really difficult to get through. This way. This way. We may have to come back on another weekend trip and try and make it to Matlock and Bench. I'm not sure. It's pretty hard. Let's see. Yes, this is a trail to Flower. Oh dear. That's a snow bridge. Oh wow. John nervous. Beth, come here. We have a snow bridge. Let me go first. Wait till I get to the other side and take it slow and easy. Okay?
This isn't the trail, is it?
This goes to Flower. Problem is, I'm not sure exactly how that creek winds. Ooh, that feels hard. Oh, I see it now. I see ski marks. Let's see. No, stay. You wait till I find a path, okay? See footprints there. See spots over there. I want to try across here, but see a log there. I think I'm going to go this way. Whoa, jeez. Oh, jeez. Pay close attention to where I'm going. Okay, follow my tracks. I prayed for dry camping spots. Wow. Step in my footprints, just avoid that one area where you see the branches sticking out, okay? You're doing good. Oh, you okay? Dang, down to your thigh. You need help getting up? Welcome to camp.
Yay!
I'm thinking we may not be able to get to those lakes. Plus, they're probably going to look like this so you can't even see them. So we might come back another weekend and do this again.
Yeah. That's fun.
Good training too. Beautiful lake. Oh, you should come stand right here. Ah, feels nice. Ah. Beautiful.